Olá a todos! I've noticed that many students struggle when using the adverbs bem, well, and mal, badly, poorly. In European Portuguese, many verbs pair with bem and mal in fixed expressions. These expressions often carry meanings that are not a direct translation of their English equivalents, so it's important to learn them as whole phrases. For example, while you might say well done in English to praise someone, in Portuguese, bem feito on its own is used ironically when something goes wrong, as in, you deserved it. By practicing these expressions in context, you'll improve both your fluency and your understanding of these subtle differences in meaning. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Sandra. In my channel, you will have access to over 150 videos teaching you European Portuguese. E agora, vamos começar! Let me walk you through a list of 11 everyday verbs that often pair with bem and mal, along with examples that show these fixed expressions as we use them in European Portuguese. Falar, to speak, to talk. Ele fala bem em público. He is a good public speaker. Ela fala mal inglês. She speaks English poorly. Many other action and skill verbs can be used with bem and mal. For example, cantar, dançar, pintar, and desenhar. Next we have sentir-se, to feel. Hoje sinto-me bem. Today I feel well. Ela sentiu-se mal depois do jantar. She felt unwell after dinner. Now we have correr, to run, to go. An interesting use of the verb correr is that we use it to express how something went. A consulta correu bem. The doctor's appointment went well. Infelizmente, o teste correu mal. Unfortunately, the exam didn't go well. Verb number 4 is dormir, to sleep. Ontem dormi bem. I slept well last night. Ele dormiu mal por causa do barulho. He slept poorly because of the noise. Next, we have fazer, to do, to make. Ela fez bem em aceitar o convite. She was right to accept the invitation. Ele fez mal em não estudar para o exame. He did wrong by not studying for the exam. Number 7 is ouvir, to hear, to listen. Eu ouvi bem o que ele disse. I heard clearly what he said. Ele ouviu mal e não percebeu a mensagem. He didn't hear well and didn't understand the message. Now we have ver, to see. Consegues ver bem daqui? Can you see well from here? Ele viu mal e não leu o sinal corretamente. He saw it wrong and misread the sign. Next we have ficar, that when combined with bem and mal has the meaning of to look, to suit, commonly used for clothing or anything related to personal looks. Este vestido fica bem à Maria. This dress looks good on Maria. Essa cor fica mal ao Antônio. That color doesn't suit Antônio. The verb estar can also be used with bem and mal. In this case, the meaning is to be, but also to feel. Eu estou bem hoje. I am or feel well today. Ela está mal após a longa viagem. She is feeling unwell after the long trip. Last but not the least comes the verb andar. When combined with bem and mal, can have the meaning to be, but differs from estar. With andar, it expresses an ongoing action, commonly used with the word lately. It can also be used with transportation, as in to move, ride. A Joana anda bem ultimamente. Joanna has been feeling well lately. O Luís não anda bem de bicicleta. Luís rides his bike badly. Notice how you can also add the word não before the verb bem to express the meaning of mal. O Luís não anda bem de bicicleta means the same as o Luís anda mal de bicicleta. Also, many of the verbs I covered are commonly used in questions, normally with bem. O exame correu bem? Did your exam go well? Estás bem? Are you okay? Sentes-te bem? Do you feel well? Remember that many of these combinations are fixed expressions with nuances that differ from their literal English translation. I hope this video helped you understand how you can use these little words more efficiently. To finish, I'll leave you with an expression that is often used in Portuguese and that my students usually want to know. Fica bem or fique bem are the informal and formal equivalents of the expression take care, be well. So fica bem e até a próxima!